Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto Addict, a channel where we talk all things cryptocurrency. I hope you guys are doing okay and thanks for joining us once again. Ladies and gentlemen, today I will be talking about Luna Terra or Terra Luna, the recently fallen giant in the crypto coin space. So guys, I recommend you watch the entire video to understand the context of this video and what is currently happening with Luna Terra. Remember guys, I never give out financial advice. Do your own research and never invest more than you are willing to lose. The markets are very volatile. So guys, if you like this video, please hit that like button. And if some of you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Don't feel shy to press that subscribe button. It's free and it's only gonna help this channel grow and reach more people. So guys, let's go through the Luna Terra article which was recently published. On the title, they said, evil genius may have caused Terra Luna cryptocurrency crash in a death spiral. Okay? It's been a stressful week for those who own Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as they watch billions of dollars get wiped off the value of their assets. It has also been a stressful week also to me, guys. Bitcoin, which has often been touted as digital gold or a hedge against inflation, plugged below 25,000 US dollars this week, a far cry from the record high 69,000 price tag it commanded back in November. The wider crypto market, which includes thousands of digital currencies and tokens, has seen in its value by more than 50%. Has seen its value plunge by more than 50% since then. Lately, people have been dumping. Lately, people have been dumping their riskier speculative assets like crypto, tech stocks, and shares in companies which are still in their growth phase. So it's not only cryptos, guys, also on the stocks, also on the shares. This has been happening. It comes as the US Federal Reserve and the central banks globally hike interest rates aggressively. So one of the reasons why the crypto dropped last week, it was because of the interest rates hike. And remove trillions of dollars worth of COVID-19 stimulus in desperate bid to keep a lead on decades high inflation. Apart from those big pictures, economic factors analysts say the crash of the Terra USD stablecoin or UST and its potential contagion effect was the main reason behind this week's cryptocurrency sell-off. Pay attention, guys. Pay attention now. Stable coins like UST, Terra, USDC are like bank accounts for the crypto ecosystem, and their value is usually pegged to fiat currencies like the US dollar on 1:1 basis. In theory, they are meant to have fixed value around $1 so they can be reliable store of value. In contrast to the extreme volatility of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others, Terra was one of the world's most valuable and stable digital currencies. But on Tuesday, a huge sell off occurred as the value of the Terra stable coin suddenly unpatched from the US dollar. Okay? Its value plunged from $1 where it was always meant to remain, to 60 cents. Wow. Then it crashed again on Wednesday, bringing its value down to 20 cents. This is horrible, guys. What happened is very horrible. It was the equivalent of a crypto bank run as people rushed to pull their money out. Where did it go wrong? Okay, let's see where it all went wrong for the Terra. Most stable coins are backed by cash reserves and they are supposed to have enough liquid assets on hand to match the value of each coin. However, Terra UST is an algorithmic stablecoin whose value is backed by a sister token called Luna, which is run on pre-programmed smart contracts. When Terra dips below $1, it can be swapped for Luna tokens at small profit. In theory, that's meant to keep the value of both stable. Okay, it's basically like printing money out of thin air through complex mix of smart contracts to make sure that value of each UST token stays as close as possible to $1. But the problem was that these complex algorithms somehow failed spectacularly. Luna somehow crashed at the same time as UST in what has been described by analysts as death spiral. Essentially, investors rush to liquidate their digital assets quicker than the algorithmic stabilizer could take effect. Okay, the price of the sister token dropped from about $86 at the start of this week to just 0.003 cents on Friday. In other words, Luna has collapsed and lost nearly all its value in a very short amount of time. This is painful, guys. This is painful. Investors suffered unprecedented losses as Luna's market value plummeted from 40 billion US dollars to about 500. This is painful, guys. This is painful, which led to a sell-off and crisis of confidence across the wider cryptocurrency market. Okay, how did the evil genius plot unfold? Let's see what these guys are saying on this article, guys. Nobody knows who caused the price of Terra and Luna to crash, but many on social media are pointing the blame at the big US hedge funds and trading firms given the massive trades involved. BlackRock and Citadel Securities have issued statements denying any involvement in Terra's crash. Okay, we don't know. This is what they are saying. We don't know if the momentum was created by collusion, said Lisa Wade, the CEO of blockchain company Digital LX. Okay, conspiracy theorists will say yes because it's massive trade. I mean, in all of my career, it's one of the biggest trades that I have seen, she told ABC The Business. It's almost like an evil genius plot. because there are a lot of steps to it. Okay. Ms. Wade said, as part of this complex plot, the buyers appear to have purchased around 1 billion worth of UST stable coins. Listen, guys, listen carefully. While shooting Bitcoin, which is a risky way to make money by betting on the price of an asset falling instead of rising. Okay, what they did next was they timed the market. Okay. So obviously we are in a really volatile risk-off stage of the market because of everything that's been happening with the US Fed and macro environment. They waited until Saturday night when trading volumes were very low and there were on bids. Okay? And then they went into the trading pool and started selling UST in massive volumes, which then triggered all the subsequent selling in a low volume market that broke the US dollar peg. Okay. So this is what happens. This is what they think might have caused the lunar Terra to crash. Inside the algorithm was what our team had identified as death spiral. The selling starts to feed on itself from the mechanics of the algorithm. So when the death spiral kicked in, the algorithm started selling Bitcoin and Avalanche, another cryptocurrency, which triggers more selling. Okay. Luna was impacted because it's the underlying backer of the UST. Okay. So every time a US token is bought, a Luna token is banned. Pay attention to that, guys. Listen again. So every time a UST token is bought, Luna token is banned. So that is the relationship between the UST and the Luna token, which means there is less tokens in supply, so the Luna price goes up. The reverse applies when people start selling. So every time someone sells UST, they mint a Luna, which means there is more volume. That's why now the volume of Luna token went up, guys. This is the logic explained here. And if there is no buyer, the price goes down, then it starts to feed on itself because people start panicking and selling Luna. This was an exploitative trade that took advantage of the fact that the markets are weaker. The perfect storm was nobody stepping up to buy the Bitcoin and the UST. Wow, guys. Do you guys think Luna will be rising again anytime soon? Because what happened last week, it was really painful for Luna holders. It was really painful. Yes, the market did crash last week, but for Luna and Terra holders, it was really painful. Please do let me know your thoughts on the comment down below. And guys, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my views and opinion for entertainment purposes. Guys, please do your own research. Do your own research, guys, please, before you invest in any of the coins, and never invest more than you are willing to lose. Lastly, guys, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. So if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button and comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. Peace.